Hi everyone. I'm just doing a quick tutorial video on how I use my Fibonacci levels and to input the Fibonacci numbers. First, we go up to this level right there. Let's say we want a measures move from a pullback, right? So then we drew from left to right in an uptrend and vice versa in a downtrend, right? So the levels that most traders use is the 382, 50% and 618 retracements, and each individual have their target area, right? So I'm going to put just a minute. I'm going to put this right here. Let's zoom it out like this. Good. So the way that I use the fib is when I have a sharp retracement of a 382, the shallower the retracement, the further the price may go. So we have 161.8 and beyond, 200 to 261.8%. That is minimum, right? When there's a shallow retracement, we have 50%, 138.2 to 1618, 61, 61.8 to 121.4 to 138.2 and 78.6 to 100, we have to 121.4. So the deeper the pullback, the target is a bit it don't extend that far. So the shallower the pullback, the trend is more aggressive to the direction. Right, and we have levels. These are the levels that I would input in my fib to get the extensions, and we have the negative levels to get the description right here. So you have negative 2.618, which give us 36.1, 361.8, which is be our target. And we have the negative 161.8, which is 261.8. And one of my favorite levels is the 200, right? So we have this negative input, then we get this description and this is the target here that you look into. So I'm just going to go into a little bit detail and show you guys how I input this right here. Right. So we double click and we have fib properties. All right. I'll take out some of these levels. I may probably, yeah, I'll take out this extreme one right there and reinstall it, put it back in, so you guys might have a understanding how to do it. So we open it up and we go on fib levels, right? Then we go on delete. In this case, I'm going to delete the 261.8 levels and reinstall it. So for this case, we go on delete, and then we would look for the level. All right, and we are looking for 261, which is right here. All right, so we go on this and we press delete. Then we press OK. right? And we also, again, we are going to delete the extreme top one, which is all the way down here, which is a negative, right? Negative. See the negative number right there, right? So we just press delete to find it, and then oh yeah, delete, and it's gone, right? But based on my style of trading, I like this era right here. In these three numbers are my sweet spot here. I like to get involved. I don't like 786, right? So yeah, let's just go very quickly now and add the levels. We will go and add, right? Then we'll put in the levels right here, which would be negative 1, 6, 1, 8, sorry, 1, 8. There we have it. And then we will put in the description. We double click in the description box, and we will put 26 1.8. There we have it. We press OK, and there we have it right back here at the top right here. So as I said, I will leave these levels so you guys can install it and feel free to play around with it. This is how it's done in a very short manner.